Mukhang hindi na matutuloy yung barangay elections, SK elections this December 1, 2025. At susundan na yung schedule na nilagay ng Republic Act 12232. The reason for this is up to this date, there is no temporary restraining order or preliminary injunction na inihain or in-issue ng ating Korte Suprema doon sa kasong final ng isang lawyer, si Attorney Macalintal. At because of this, the COMELEC has already suspended all preparations, groundwork for the December 1 elections this year. So more or less, makikita natin unless, again, the Supreme Court will issue the decision or TRO or injunction. And another development in the case is question ngayon ni Attorney Macalintal yung opposition and comment submitted by the Liga ng mga Barangay sa Pilipinas, petition filed before the Supreme Court. Kasi nga, ang nagnotaryo doon sa petition na yon ay yung si Petchy Rose Espera, yung nagnotaryo ng document ng isang witness sa Senado na sinasabing fake yung kanyang notarization. So, sabi ni Attorney Macalintal, baka if the notary is fake, then the petition or the opposition na final ng Liga ng mga Barangay should be removed from the records of the case. So again, another investigation, and this will delay the decision in the case. And because of this, mukhang sigurado na walang barangay or SK elections itong December 1, 2025.